Hello friends, welcome to this another video session. In this session, we'll try to sort out another problem which has been faced by maximum participant. Of course, it is not a problem which is from my lecture, but still some some participants have asked this query to me, and that is how to remove the signature. Suppose I have to upload any certificate. So in a certificate nowadays, we have most of the conferences or webinars are providing e-certificates, and in these e-certificates you will need to have a scanned signature. Most commonly these signatures are either scanned by mobile or by any scanner, or simply a photo of that signature has been provided by the competent authority, and at that time to remove the background of that signature becomes a very critical task. And now in this video we'll try to sort out this problem, how to remove background of a signature. So we'll start with our actual work. So suppose I have to remove a background of any signature. So at that moment of time, the first simplest thing I'd like to say, you can make it by using Word. Of course, some drawbacks are available with MS Word, and what are that we'll try to see. Just like suppose I have a signature and I'll try to insert that signature. So straight away I'll move on insert option, picture, and I have already stored a signature at my desktop, and I'll try to call that signature. So it is something signature. Okay, so I have inserted a signature. So this is the signature I have. Now another very difficult thing with this particular signature is I have to remove the background. So one simplest way I like to say, just double click on that signature so that you can get some options available with the signature, and under that you have contrast and brightness option available. So I'll click on that signature. I'll straight away move on to the contrast option. What I'm making, I am trying to increase the contrast of that signature. So suppose 10% contrast I have taken, and as far as brightness is concerned, what I am making, I am trying to change the background of that signature to some extent so that it should not visible. Just like I have chosen something 40% over here, and now you can watch over here that this signature background has been removed. But idea is that the real difficulty with this type of operations in a word is whenever you try to choose a signature like this, you have to keep your background as a white. And in most of the certificate, that's why the reason they are trying to keep the background either a light color or a white color. So what we are trying to use, we are of course not going to use this option, and that is the worst option I am saying. So this option has been chosen by most of the people. What they are making, they are straight away choosing this signature, and they are trying to make the changes into the brightness and contrast of that signature so that you can place this signature and it is not visible. You cannot get the background of that signature on a white background. But if my background is a dark, so of course everything goes. Just like suppose I'll try to take this same signature, I'll copy this, Control C, and I'll try to paste it somewhere. So suppose this is the particular area where I'd like to place the signature. So I'll make it Control V, and you can see over here. Suppose my background, my certificate is having background dark color background. So obviously it is not the thing. Means what is the exact thing needed by me is not covered over here. So to sort out this problem, we have another solution. Of course, it is not the solution. Some people are using Word, some are using Windows Image Editor. So that is also one of the option which is providing you the facility of making the changes again in a brightness and contrast. But that is not the solution. Some people's using paintbrush also. So what is that solution? So for that you will need to have, and that is Photoshop. The moment I'll take this word, most of you will say Photoshop. We just don't have that software. From where we'll get that? Of course, it is not a free. So the idea is that in a Photoshop there is a magic tool available. You have to choose that. You have to select the image whose background is needed to be removed. And again, it is a bit complicated task. So don't bother. You just don't have to make that much things. So straight away, now we'll try to start our exact work how we are trying to remove the background of any image. So we are moving on to a Google. So under Google, I'm just typing something remove.bg. You can see over here I have typed something remove.bg. That is a website which is available. I am clicking on that. Or straight away what you can make, you can just type it out over here remove.bg. So you have this first website whatever is available, remove background from image. This is the website which is available. So you can straight away type remove.bg on Google, or straight away in address bar you can write remove.bg. So you are being directed towards this website, and that is a remove background from image. So we are clicking on that website. So what he is saying, he is asking me to upload an image. Whatever is the image whose background is needed to be removed, so that image I have to upload. So I'll again choose the same. I'll click on upload image. I'll choose the same file, whatever we have just now opened in a Word. So I have chosen that same file, signature, open. So my signature is getting open, and you can see this is my original image. And you can see there is a white background. On a white background I have made a signature, and now I'll choose another option, and that is the remove background. So the moment I'll choose this remove background option, my signature is getting converted in a such a way that I have signed on a transparent background. So I'll click on a download option. So my signature is getting downloaded in a download folder, and again we'll move on to the same certificate area. So again on the same certificate area I'll come. I'll choose again the same option, insert picture, and just like I have told you, your image is getting stored in a download option. So I'll click on download option, and there is a signature insert, and you can watch this is my signature. And again you can find it out, everything from the background of that signature is getting removed. Now just you have to adjust that signature as per your need. As per your need, wherever you like to place that signature, you have to place the signature, and this way your problem will be getting sorted out. The best thing regarding this website is you just don't need to have any type of sophisticated image editor softwares like Paintbrush, or even Word, or even a Photoshop, Corel Draw. Nothing is needed by you. What you will need to have only one website, and that is a uh, remove.bg. So just understand this name, remove.bg is the only website which is available, and by this it is possible for you to remove the background of the signature, and as per your need you can place this signature as and when needed, or wherever needed within your certificate. Now another better thing regarding this website is remove.bg not only removes the background of a signature, it will also remove the background from any image, and we'll try to make that particular one. So again I'll move onto the same website. I have typed the same thing, remove.bg. Okay, again I'll click on upload image. Now I'll choose another image, of course a photograph of mine. So you can watch, this is my original image, and the moment I'll click on removed background option, so complete background of that image is getting removed. So you can find it out over here. It is something like that of a cutout. You might have seen cutout posters of various heroes or various actors. So exactly like that impression will be given by this remove.bg. Again we have to click on a download option. So again my image is getting downloaded again onto the same folder, that is a download folder, and the name of the file remains the same. Just like I have saved my file with the name rdb. So whatever is the new file without background getting created, that is having only name rdb.removebg. So that is the name which is being taken by that image by default. And now we'll try to place this image somewhere. So I'll again choose insert option, picture, from downloads we have to choose the image. So this is my image. I'll try to choose that image and I'll click on insert, and now you can watch. I can make any modifications on that image as per my need. Okay, I can make any changes. Okay, you can make a cropping of that image or as per your need, whatever are the changes needs to be made, so that can be performed on that image. So this is the simplest way to remove a background of either a picture or a signature or wherever it is needed. Very oftenly we'll need to remove a background of some logos. Just like suppose I have a university logo, and what I am making, I'm trying to make, I'm trying to remove the background of that. So at that moment of time, this website is very useful. So again, the name is remove.bg. Okay, so straight away use this website and try to make conversion of your images, your signatures, or try to remove the background of your images or signatures. So please try to make these tasks, and I hope you will definitely will be able to make these things quite easily. Thank you very much.